Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 3 trades. They're all pound pair trades. I sold them and it was definitely based on pound weakness. At one point it was down at 1%, so I knew it was going to go down. I took these 3 pairs and today's date is December the 2nd. Now there's no real high impact news today. It's just the natural flow of the market. That's one of the most important things that you have to learn, is how to trade a market flow. And this is exactly what I teach. And today's trades were I was using the HA trigger system. It's an advanced Heikin-Ashi candlestick system that I have. The concept is quite simple, as blue we're buying and of course red we're selling. And this is great for traders who cannot get a good understanding of the Japanese candlesticks. So this takes away a lot of the guessing. So let's move right along. I only did 3 pairs like I said. Let's run a check on this pound dollar. Let's grab this and drag and drop it up. Now I got in at this point. I knew it was going to give me some pips, and when I was looking at the totals down here, I was basically happy, and that is why I closed out all 3 trades with one click of the mouse. I was using my close all EA, and by the way, if you want that close all EA, all you got to do is send me an email and requesting the close all EA. So with one click of the mouse, very simple, it closes all the trades in one shot. So this way you can lock in the totals as fast as possible. Remember, that's free. Just send me an email asking for it. So I got in at the trade. This particular one I got in at 723, and I closed it out, all 3 of them, at 848. So I know it went against me a little bit, but not a big deal. That's the way the market goes. It was around 25 pips, and while I was trying to figure out when to close, it was down here, and when it started to go back up, I was looking at the bottom. I said I'm happy with the totals, so I just decided to close the trade with 6 pips, and 6 pips on the pound dollar paid $600. So let's move on to the pound New Zealand. Let's run a check on that. Now this trade I actually took yesterday at 8:19 in the morning. I sold it, and I knew it was going to go down because I was looking at the higher time frames, and I knew that the pound pairs were going to continue to go down. But you know, that's the way the pound works. Sometimes it does go against you, and I just had to stay in the trade since yesterday, and eventually it did go down and give me some pips. So let's see where, drag and drop this up. So I got in yesterday and it did go against me, but that's okay. I was keeping an eye on it all day, just and managing the trade, which is what you have to do. And I eventually closed it out. Let's see, I got in at this cursor right here, and I eventually closed it out, it looks like, with 36 pips. And 36 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $2,534. Keep in mind that this is a much more advanced way of trading, and after 16 years and 50,000 hours at chart reading, I can do this. As long as the higher time frames are telling you it's going to go down, and like I said, sometimes something happens within the market and you get a big spike like this, and it's just the way that it goes. But as you can see, I did turn a losing trade into a winning trade. So moving right along to the, looks like pound Swiss. I did that one this morning. Pound Swiss, let's just drag and drop it up. This one was right here. This is, and by the way, this one here is a great example of a great way to trade. I teach exactly how to trade this way, whereas you're using the moving averages, specifically the goal line and the indicators down here at the bottom. So as I said, I took the trade at this cursor and it didn't go much against me. Let's see, close at 20 pips, and I closed it out. As I said many times, I close the trades out when I looking down at the bottom, and I'm happy, and I was happy with these 30 pips, and those 30 pips on the pound Swiss paid $3,346. So today's pip total, I ended up with 72 pips, and 72 pips paid out $6,604. I just wanted to touch on this one trade that I had a bit of a hard time with, but I was analyzing the charts, and as you can see on the charts here, I was looking at the 4 hours, and I knew it was going to go down. This is very, very clear. It's going to go down, and I just had to weather this little bit of a pullback. And that is, you have to master this way of trading and trading the flow of the market. The market just doesn't, like lots of times it will just go down, but many times it'll go up and down, up and down. And if you catch the trade a little bit at the wrong time, then you gotta just weather the pullback, which is exactly how I manage the trade. Remember, trade management is very important. So all in all, this day ended with 3 excellent trades, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. I am finished for the day. If your system is not producing like the HA Trigger system, I suggest that you can get your hands on it. And to do so, of course, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It's my HA Trigger system. I do charge $250 for it. It's an advanced Heikin-Ashi trigger system that has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now within the package there's a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and that is what you need, a lot of education to help you succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, so I teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. My number one way of trading is a great way to trade, and that's using, it's a perfect example as you can see on the right side over here, and that's using the moving averages and the indicators down at the bottom. Now in most of the videos you get a lot of advanced training and tips and tricks. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries, how to stay in the trade for more pips, how to trade at the right hand edge, teach how to trade higher time frames. I usually just go 3 or 4 higher time frames. Like if I'm on the 15 minutes, I don't bother with the daily, weekly, and monthly, or else you will get totally confused. And of course, I do teach how to trade the HA Trigger system version number 2. In most of the videos, I'll show you a lot of great trade setups. I also teach how to backtest the HA Trigger, which I still do up to 8 hours every weekend. Very simple, very easy to do, and it'll speed up your learning curve. Remember, trading the markets is very, very difficult. I would say it's more difficult, or just as difficult as trying to become a doctor or lawyer. But once you learn this, you can make a lot more money than doctors and lawyers. But remember, there's only 5% of the people who are actually making money. That's because 95% of the traders do not want to learn. So if you're going to get in this business, you got to get your hands on a lot of education and put yourself in front of the computer and have many hours of chart time. Now I also teach how to scan the market, how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. I also teach how to trade pullbacks and reversals, and also teach how to trade around the goal line. Also, I teach how to trade the news, like high impact news, and also teach how to trade with a day job. So if you have any questions at all, quite simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, all you got to do is send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now, of course, I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link right here, and we'll have a Skype connection. And through screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, show you the charts, and answer your questions. And I'll give you some tips and tricks. If nothing else, it'll help your trading. And remember, it is totally free. I wish I had opportunities like this 15 years ago. Nobody would give anything away for free. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems. If you click on this link here, you'll see 28 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that encourages me to keep doing these videos, as long as I'm helping at least one trader or more a week. And if so, then I will keep doing the videos. So as I said, wraps up this video. And until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.